Mabuhay! This is the second module of GSED online course on pedagogy and practice. This module provides you the opportunity to assess various pedagogies, including tools and strategies in integrating GSED in the curriculum. This guides you to reflect on your current teaching practice and to identify appropriate GSED pedagogies applicable to your own classroom context. Hi, I'm teacher Awi Hibanada. I teach at the Philippine Normal University, the National Center for Teacher Education in the Philippines. In this session, we will try to answer the most important question in teaching. What is pedagogy? What is GSED pedagogy? And how can it be contextualized in the Philippine classroom? What is pedagogy? Well, it is simply defined by many as the act or the art of passing on STEAM knowledge, values, and skills. It is not confined to formal educational settings, but can also be applied to parenting, therapeutic, and various other professionals in informal settings where knowledge is shared. Pedagogy, in a deep sense, extends beyond the classroom and the practice of teaching. It is transformational in that it seeks to orient others towards imagined possible futures. It seeks to connect learners with dominant learning and social tools which are believed to bring benefits to individuals, groups, and societies. GSED pedagogy is all about teaching learners to have empathy, to have the capacity of understanding from different points of view, to practice respect for the differences and appreciation of diversity. Based on this knowledge and understanding, the vision of GSED pedagogy is for the learners to take concrete actions to pave the way towards a more just and sustainable world. You might ask, should GSED pedagogy be a separate subject or should it be integrated into the existing curriculum? In this module, we will try to find the integration and find the entry points into the subjects that we are already teaching. Well, GSED can be taught as a separate subject, but it can always be integrated into the different subjects in our curriculum. I would like to emphasize the GSED pedagogical principles. GSED pedagogies should be consistent with the values and principles of transformative education. GSED pedagogy is holistic. It's also dialogical. It encourages dialogue among students and among teachers to students as well. It is democratic and participatory, where we like our students to engage in the community and engage in themselves. It's also creative, but also it gives the critical empowerment among our students. It is multidimensional and multimodal, meaning that in a holistic education, we cater to the holistic needs of our learners. Cognitive, socio-emotional, as well as behavioral. GSED pedagogy uses approaches that are learner-centered, developmentally appropriate to the learners, constructivist, inquiry-based, reflective, collaborative, and integrative. You can find this even in our goals of education in the K-12 curriculum. GSED pedagogy fosters a respectful, inclusive, and interactive teaching and learning through dialogues and discussions of themes, topics, such as gender equality, inclusion, multiculturalism in the different learning areas. Promote culturally responsive strategies to teaching, understanding by carefully considering considering the educational contexts, culture, and needs of the learners. We emphasize the crucial role of teachers as facilitators, learners as engaged members in the teaching and learning, families and communities and other stakeholders as potent resource for learning about community and active participation. GSED pedagogy employs flexibility to enable learners to experience learning in various contexts, such as in the classroom, in the whole school, and extracurricular activities. It can also be community-based. But schools need to localize, we need to indigenize, and we also need to globalize our context as well.